Okay, so part two, because apparently I talked too much. So here we are. We finished up. We had our summative task organizer all set. We have our evidence that we gathered. We have our counter evidence, and then we have a conclusion statement. This is all important because you're now going to go into Office 365, which is this little symbol. When you click on it and wait and pause, you will see over here in the left-hand column, you will see your Word document that you can open here. And you click blank, new blank document. And wait. And it opened up on my other screen. So let's see. I get a new blank document. I would immediately change the name right here to Agriculture Essay. And that automatically saves the name right there. Easy to find, easy to locate. And this is where you're going to start with your opening sentence. I believe that agriculture was, and then you're going to complete using what you put inside your organizer. The key parts are going to be, and here's your criteria, okay? Make sure you have a claim statement. That's your opening sentence. Then provide evidence to support. That's what you put into your organizer. Then explain how the evidence supports your claim. Another piece of evidence to support your claim, and then another explanation of how that particular evidence supports your claim. Going above and beyond, the third piece of evidence to support and explain how it supports. Then you want that evidence that goes against your claim or contradicts your claim and explain how it contradicts your claim. And then a conclusion statement. Okay, so that is your criteria. When you are done with your essay, you want to make sure you can paint it. So you're going to paint your claim yellow. You're going to paint your evidence green. You're going to paint your explanations in blue. And then you're going to paint your conclusion statement in pink. So it'll look like this. Okay, and then this is green. No, green. And then this is green. And then you want to paint this. I'm going to make sure that's blue because that's your, that didn't work. Hold on, here we go. Blue, and then blue. And then if they're going for this, blue. And then evidence to support here. You want green. Okay, and then evidence that contradicts. Okay, so this is evidence, so you're going to make it green. And then over here, how it contradicts, like supporting your evidence, you're also going to want to make that blue. Anything that supports evidence, explains evidence, should be blue, whether it's for or against. And then your conclusion statement is going to be pink. Okay, so that's what it would look like. I'm going to undo all that so it's not as confusing. But in your essay, make sure you do that. If you are able to highlight one yellow, one pink, 3 greens, 3 blues at minimum, then you are ready to go. And you can turn it in via email or, yeah, via email would be the best way. So you would share it. Okay, so that is how you use your organizer, how you complete your organizer, how you use your organizer, and how you get it back to me when you're done with the essay, making sure that you paint it. Okay? I hope everybody has a great day. Sorry I can't be here. I got pulled out for something else. Have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay warm.